Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So what I have here is that OnePlus 7 Pro, and this is my favorite case of them all, that Sandstone case. I've done a video for the 6T as well. I love this case with all my heart. So let's get into the unboxing and applying it on this phone after this. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. On this channel I do a lot of helpful reviews and unboxing videos just like this one. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. So here is that OnePlus Sandstone case. To be honest with you, you don't really need to buy a case because OnePlus sends you a case with the phone. It's found in that red box where your manual is located. So if you open that, you'll get this nice, simple case right here. It's a clear case, it's durable, it'll protect your phone from scratches and from the back only. For the front, you're kind of out of luck because it has that in-screen fingerprint reader right here. So in order to use that, you'll need to have the thin plastic case on here so your front is always exposed. I made a video about this on the 5 things I don't like about the phone, and that's one of them. It's not OnePlus's fault, it's all the phone manufacturers are going through this at the present moment, where they're trying to figure out the technology for having the in-screen fingerprint reader, or should they put it at the back. Whenever I hold my phone like this, I like to have my finger right here. So personally, I would love to see the fingerprint reader somewhere around here, or even on the side, because you're always holding it from this angle. But overall, I've been using this phone for a couple of days now, and really beautiful phone. Camera's awesome. This little gimmick at the top, this is where the camera pops up for like that. You see that? Because I have the option enabled to unlock with that in-screen fingerprint reader, or having it unlock with my face recognition. Couple of things in mind. This face recognition is not the same as the iPhone X. All this is doing is just simply taking your picture and recognizing it off of there. However, when you're comparing this face recognition to the iPhone X, it's definitely faster, but it's not taking your it doesn't have 3 different sensors that the iPhone XS has, or the X, where even if you're wearing glasses or you're growing your beard or something, or any changes to your facial structure, any changes to your face, it'll learn over time and it'll recognize you. I've noticed on my cousin's S9, we have very similar face because we're cousins obviously. I'm able to unlock his S9 because we look very similar. I know there's been issues where the iPhone X where that same thing happens. But anyways, let's get back into this. This is that plain and simple case that OnePlus provides you with, and really nice. And I like it because, I mean, sometimes when you do order a phone, it takes a little while for the case to get there, whether you're ordering for Amazon. I have Prime as well, and I've noticed sometimes that because it's a long weekend or because something else happens, it does take a little bit longer for those cases to arrive. So it's good that OnePlus has provided us with the case right away, and that you're able to protect the back of your phone right away. This is available on the OnePlus store. I'll leave a link for this case down below, as well as I'll leave my referral link. So if you're ever thinking about purchasing this case or any other OnePlus accessory, use that link. You'll get a percentage off your order, and it saves you money. It gives me points, so maybe I can buy more stuff and provide it on the channel as well. So pretty simple case. On the Canadian website, I'm from Canada, so on the Canadian website, this one's going for $29. So basically $30 for this case. I bought it with the phone. You can buy a bunch of different bundles. This is the one that I quickly purchased because I was going to make sure that I got the phone for the channel and for the review. So this is the case by itself. They've provided us with simple instructions. So they say put your phone in with the left side in first, and then you snap it into the right. That's the way I've always been doing it. I don't know if you guys do a different way. Let me know in the comments down below. let's unbox this. So there is a little tape at the bottom. Open it up like that. Let me know what your thoughts are on this Sandstone case in the comment section down below. I've always loved this series better than the carbon, primarily because it is a little bit more grippier, I would say, than the carbon series that I find, but in overall looks, I like the carbon case a lot better. Okay, so here is that OnePlus 7 Pro Sandstone case. Let me just take it out of here. Now, the biggest difference between both of these cases is that this one is a lot less durable than the one they provide you with. This is more of a bumper case and just providing you with extra protection in case you don't like the case to provide you with. On the inside, it's very clear and plain, soft plastic, and on the outside you get this gritty material. I like the way it feels, just like the OnePlus 6T Sandstone case. I really like this very smooth material, and you can definitely grip it easier than the other one, which is a carbon series. When comparing both of these cases, in terms of protection, I would go for this one. In terms of looks, I think this one looks way better. So let's quickly pop this on and take this off. Okay, and that's that Nebula blue color. I really like this blue color. I would have liked it to be a little bit more darker. I think it would have just been a little bit better that way, having it to be kind of like a midnight blue sort of thing. So let's pop this in. So they say come in with your left side and then pop it into the right, like that. And then here you have it, that OnePlus 7 Pro with the Sandstone case. Now, comparing it to this one, this is the one they send you with. When comparing it to the OnePlus 7 Pro case that they send you, you can clearly see that this case is protecting your phone all the way around. You're getting your sides protected, your top protected, and even your the bottom of the phone. Now, when we're comparing it to this Sandstone case, you know, you're not getting the sides of your phone protected as much. The buttons aren't protected. The top is not protected at all. And then same thing with the sides, but it's way thinner than the case that comes in the box. So here you guys have it, that OnePlus 7 Pro Sandstone case. I absolutely love this case. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like that it's not as durable as this one. I would have loved to see it to be a little bit thicker, or maybe they could have done something that Spigen does where it's like a two-part case, or made it a little bit thicker. But then again, it's a bumper case, so that's the look they're going for. So let me know what you guys think about this OnePlus 7 Pro Sandstone case in the comment section down below. Do you feel like purchasing this, or do you want to stick to the one they give you, which is kind of free? Or do you like going for something different like the Spigen, Under Armour, or the other top brands? Would I go for this case? Definitely. I would go for this one, or even a Skin, whether it's the brand or any other company. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little unboxing video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on not only the phone, but also this case. And get ready, because I'm bringing some more content your way on the OnePlus 7 Pro. So catch you in the next one. Goodbye.